view as well. I got my backyard lit up with a B2222 device working quite nicely. Had a good 10 minutes to warm up and it's working quite nicely. This really lit up my day. So I've got some, hopefully get some parts coming for the other one too from a couple of good friends, so that's good. Got a couple of guys in the street lighting forums group. They're trying to get me some parts for my other Sylvania light I got. Need a lens, need parts, still looking parts in the urban, should hopefully be on their way. Long term project, eventually I'll get them. 50 watt, not bad for 50 watt. That's the normal one, the vertical one's that one. I like the looks of the backs of those, looks nice. This is in better shape cosmetically. The other one didn't do all around here, got a panel better and get it nice and perfect. But I'll need this part. I want to replace that whole bit anyway. Looks kind of ugly how I drew those out. So I want to replace this whole part here. New gear cover, just put these guts inside a new cover. Replace this whole body. Fortunately this only just screws off. I can unscrew this and just transfer this whole new part on it. All I need is just this outer shell and the cover for it, and that's it. Because I've smashed everything off the back of this, I can't even put the gear cover on it. I can, but it'll just fall off. I didn't open it up to service it. So that was pretty. The lighting shell is in good shape. The reflector's in good shape. This one I gotta do a bit more careful pattern beating on it to get it all back in shape. It's been dropped on here. But now, first I'm looking at that, now I'm blowing myself. Got it all vice script. Said some of it looks and works good there. If I put another one here, I could light this whole yard up. When my veranda's all completed and my shed's built, my area stick there's on the outside. 100 watts worth of light, perfect for this backyard. It works very well. It'd be brilliant when I've got a roof over here working on cars or something late at night. These lights are awesome. Yeah, gotta love the street lighting hobby. It's quite really lights up our day. Would love to get one of the Sylvania road LED Sylvanias. I could use an LED for quick things, like for short jobs. Don't have to wait for them to warm up, just bang straight on. They're good for a little, they make a good work light. It's just like I'm out in the street. Look at that. That's brilliant. Our bulb's actually got a lot of life left in it. I should try the other bulb in my urban, see if that's any brighter. Perfect, look at that. Lit up my day. Anyway, the fluoro, the Zodiac, eventually I get globes for that. Eventually I get some globes for that. And I'll use that in my veranda when a shed's built. Put it behind here. So there's this one. And this will go out toward near the outside. I can light the entrance up or something with it. It'd be perfect for that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. G'day viewers, I scored this thing for next to nothing. Oh, Pioneer tape deck, model CT200. Full logic control. It also turned to shit, but I can repair that. And it's pretty easy, simple. Take the bottom cover off, and it's easily serviceable. Oh, you know, 29th of November 1980. Yeah, it's as old as my shark. An adjustment screw there. Don't want to touch that. It's actually a tensioner screw. Oh, that's kind of cool. Attach this. Clever. That is real cool. Plastic, they're not glass. But it's pretty good quality stuff. The belt for the counter works, but it's slippery, so I might change that too, see how it goes. Got a flat belt to change on the big flywheel here, and a little belt here to change. Very easy to fix this one. I know some pioneers and older tape decks from this era are very difficult to get to the belt. This one is actually relatively easy to fix, which is good. Left channel, right channel. They turn separately on 2 different pots. That's really cool. Good quality stuff. Anyway, let's get this thing rebuilt and clean up the head and everything. Oh, I cleaned up so much mess out of this thing, it wasn't funny. I think this motor's weak. Just got no torque. Oh, a bit of torque on that. Brown and white wire go on here for the motor. Try a little adapter I can make. A brown wire and a black wire from that motor. Should go on here. It looks like it's going on here and here. 7 and 9 I think it is. Doesn't seem to be much power on that motor. There's the inputs and outputs on separate cords instead of sockets. So 50, 60 Hz, you can select the voltage, so it's a Japanese import, this one. It's a model CT200. I think that motor could be weak, because that belt is not very tight. That turns pretty easily, so yeah, that motor sounded pretty good on its own. It felt good to the touch, but it had enough torque, but it mustn't have enough torque to turn all this, so I think that motor could be worn out, unfortunately. I need a new motor, I think. It just hasn't got enough torque. Bit of a bugger, it's a nice tape deck. Just showing the motor's just weak. Sure, someone out there can find a motor almost identical to that one here. I'd like to find another one that matches that motor to fix this, it'd be real good. Or just a circuit board in the back might need to be cleaned. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.